sa park. Again. Kasi kaya nag-vlog ako na yung mga tao na putol. May park malapit sa house namin. Tapos inaya ko lang siya. Sabi ko, tara! Kahit mga 8:30.
8:45.
Ala! Totoo. Tapos 9 yung sunset. Oh, ang ganda ng sunset. Parang gusto ko lang lumabas. Tapos wala kasi siyang work ng Fridays. Naka-day off siya. So, parang ang saya niya. Ang saya niya pag Thursday.
Klase naman ako sa hapon.
Oo, may klase sa hapon.
Wala sa umaga.
Oo. Look, it's so nice. So, pwede pala kami dito. Dami pang nagja-jogging kasi late na nga yung sunset. Hanap lang kami ng spot kung saan kami pwedeng umupo. We found a bench here, a free one. Medyo chilly, pero okay lang. Kasi ang ganda. Ganda ng sunset. As in, literal na pababa na talaga siya. So, 10 minutes daw worth of sunset. Kung naalala niyo yung pinakita kong libro nung sa mga 2 to 3 vlogs ago. Tapos ko na siya this month. Hindi kasi ako reader, guys. So, nung natapos ko yun, 5 months ko siyang binasa ng on and off. Kasi medyo heavy siya. Pero
kailangan mo mag-isip.
Kailangan mo mag-isip. Kasi self-help yun eh. So, like, ako siya sa healing and all that. Pero maganda. Tapos, grabe talaga. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanila, parang gusto ko magbasa ng fiction. Pinahiram ako ni Tets ng Kindle niya. Tapos, fiction yung binabasa ko ngayon. Tapos, ang bilis pala magbasa. Like, pag hindi self-help, parang nag-glide through the pages ka lang. So, na-enjoy ko magbasa ng libro dito. Tsaka, alam mo, totoo yung sabi ni Kams, hindi daw siya na-eye strain dito. Like, hindi sumasakit yung mata niya. Like, yung friend namin nagaganito din. Tapos, feel. Bet na bet din niya magbasa sa akin. So, ito yung hinihiram ko kay Kams ngayon. Sa lamig na, guys. Uy! May birdhouse! Look! Anyway, dito lang kami. Chika-chika. Nag-uusap lang kami after, nagbasa lang kami saglit. Tapos, babalik na rin kami kasi lumalamig na. Tapos, habang nakatingin kami sa kawalan. Ang kita kasi ng ulap. Tapos, minsan hindi kami may moments na parang, grabe na, ito na yung buhay namin na hindi naman namin na before. Lalo na nung nasa college, diba? Parang, kala ko magtatrabaho ako sa ganito, sa ganyan. O sa office, or kung ano man yung ko dati. Tapos, ngayon, after work, nag-grocery pa kami bago kami pumunta dito. Tapos ngayon, nakagayo lang kami. Tapos, nakatingin kami dun sa pink skies. It's so nice. You really do appreciate, parang little things. Tsaka ngayon, mas marami na kaming, for some reason, parang mas may time kami magganito. And like sa work din, no? Parang mas madalas kami na mag-park. Dati parang, sobra kasi yung hours namin dun sa UCTAM. Sobrang daming work. Parat kaming work, tas house, tas pagod na. Tas weekend lang kami nagkikita, no? Tas minsan hindi pa kasi like pagod lang talaga or maraming gagawin. Tas ngayon, it's so nice. Hindi naman kasi yung view, wala na yung araw, pero ganda pa rin tignan. Tas nag-on na yung lights ng small restaurant. So I already finished eating lunch, and then Jana's here. Chris went to the grocery store, and I'm just working on something because I need to write a letter, so I keep editing it, and then I'm gonna do that while I rest up. Later pa yung sunset. Ay, hindi ko alam kung nakwento ko na, but today I'm gonna go to a sunset Pilates. I've always wanted to try Pilates, pero nakakita ako ng parang group siya of women who go to the park sa Retiro to do Pilates, usually every Friday and Saturday. So usually on Fridays, like today, it's Pilates, like sunset Pilates yung tawag niya, and then with cocktails. So after you do Pilates with these girls, parang you go for a drink just near Retiro, like a beer or a sangria or something like that. And then meron din silang Saturdays, and alam ko may Sunday din sila, pero parang yoga lattes yung tawag nila sa Sunday. And siya, parang may venue talaga siya na pinupuntahan. Parang yoga Pilates, ganyan. So, yun, I'm gonna join that today for the first time. And magpa-park sila, so sasama na rin ako. Doon na lang ako magagaling sa park kasi same park lang din naman yung pupuntahan nila. So, I'm just gonna work on this while waiting kasi medyo early pa. Lonely, I miss This is lonely. Saan ka galing? Sinong kinita mo? Sumagot ka? Sumagot ka? Pinagpalit na tayo! Grabe! Sino?
Grabe kasi talaga.
Ay, nakahanap na kami ng spot. Hinihintay niya akong humiga kasi sa akin siya hihiga. Ang ganda. Ang ganda lang. Ito. Higa lang kami. And then reading. And bumili kami ng onting snacks. Tapos dito sa park, grabe. Iba-iba talaga ito yung pupunta kami dito. Iba-iba yung mga nangyayari.
Naka-bathing suit na sila.
Oo. As in, may mga naka-thong.
Beach?
Oo. May tubig. Char. Joke lang. Kasi syempre gusto nila mag-tan and mag-warm. Pero dami na naka-bathing suit. So, we didn't get the memo. Mga naka-cardigan.
Yeah.
Ano? Wala. Oh, sige, bye-bye. Okay, dyan ka lang ng mga 2 oras. Kasi, alis ka. Tignan mo, naghanap kami ng shade sa ilalim ng kahoy. Tapos gumalaw yung araw.
I can cover you like...
Sabi ko, umalis ko.
Ay, alis ako?
Girl! Sabi ko sa kanya, ipagsama namin yung legs namin kasi healthy na may, physical touch. Touch, 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 touch. Hindi na siya nakatulog kasi wala. Oh, ang serious. Oh, paano? Paano magbasa? Tapos kanina niya pa kami ino-okray. Tapos, ano sabi niya? Ano sabi mo kanina?
Hindi ako mapagbasa. Ang ingay kasi naman katabi ko.
Hindi!
Ano?
Yung binabasa niya, dapat mabuti kang tao.
Self-help.
Self-help book.
Tapos,
yung mga lumalabas sa bibig.
salba. Wala lang nasabi.
Sige na.
Ginagawa lang nila yun.
Ay!
Gawa-gawa. Tama. Oh. On my way home, it was really nice. It was very challenging as I expected. Pero nakatulog talaga yung parang sa nature and all that. Pero grabe the whole time. Nag-shake yung legs ko. Today was legs and and abs. Grabe nanginig talaga ako. But it was nice meeting a lot of girls. And then nag-drinks lang kami. I got a Tito de Verano and then Chica. And they were very, very nice. So I'm gonna do it again. Maybe I'll try to do it once a week because I heard from the girls na tinry nila yung one day after the other. Parang sobrang sore daw katawan nila. And the instructor was also sobrang ganda niya, grabe. And then, sobrang bait din. So, it was a good experience. Nandiyan ko yung sarili ko. Kahit nanginig ako. Time to go home. It's 12:05, I think, almost 12:10. I'm gonna walk back na. I was able to finish 2 chapters of the book that I was reading. I journaled a little bit and then yun, nagbasa lang ako. I'm also starting to get hungry, so I have to meal prep, I guess. I'm gonna cook 1 meal and then later this afternoon or tonight we're gonna head out as well, so I'll do some chores at home first. It was a good morning walk and like just spending time with myself. I'm gonna try to cook pork binagoongan for the first time. We'll see how it goes. Tapos ito, hindi pala siya maanghang. Wala sa natural store. Sa stores dito ng sili yung kagaya sa atin yung maliit. So, buti lang may chili flakes ako. Yay! Let's try. We're finally gonna make bracelet. So, bumibili lang kami ng mga beads to take to the park. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that one. We're here. We're back in the park. Tapos, bumili kami ng iba't ibang kulay for different albums. And then, ito na yung wire. Si Jana yung naka-discover sa TikTok. It's easier like that. Jana, show it. It's size inclusive and mas madali daw.
Pwedeng bigger.
Ano?
Yeah.
That's enough?
Pag na-lock siya.
Kasi, pakita mo kung paano tinatanggal. Gaganyan lang siya. Ilalock and then...
So,
kahit anong size mo, pwede mo gawin.
I think, yeah.
And then we'll just lock it. Tapos nagdala kami ng flyers. Si Miss, Bob the Builder.
Like,
so,
ilock?
we're gonna do this. And then, ito yung in-order namin online. Just the letters. Tiana's here! Gawa kami. And si Ate Tony. Hi! Pa-sweet si Ate Tony. Gumagawa kami ng bracelet. Si Jana, pakita mo nakailang ka na. Kasi, hinihingi ko na sa kanya yung isa.
1989. And speak na.
Ay!
Wow! Napakanta pa.
Na-bless kayo ng ni Jana. Park pa more. Sino nataihan ng ibon? Sabi ko, parang may bumato ng bato sa ulo ko. Tapos, sabi nila, wala girl, wala. Tapos, tetay. Tsuray, tetay. Kasi nagmaganda. Tapos, nilamig. Nag-share kami ng kambal. Agua Bendita. Ako si Agua. Siya si Bendita! No! We're at dinner. Pabalik na kami sa kickboxing. Finally, after... Basta. I just realized. May nag-click din sa utak mo. Sorry. Basta, mag-kickboxing na kami. Matagal na kami nag-kickboxing. So, mas tagal na. So, sana kakayanin namin today. I was like, we're here. There's like a common area where you can change and all that. Dates, kaya ba natin to? Tapos sabi ko pa sa kanya, sana walang lalaki kasi iba sila iba pag babae yung lalaki. Meron. Sana kaya namin to. Intense sa sipa and sana wala siya dyan. Done! Super good! So successful!
Everything's okay.
Yes. No pain, nothing. Natatawa-tawa lang kami kasi naglo-loading kami minsan sa mga combinations. Pero it was good. Tari ko dapat mag-vlog kasi I was just too busy. We'll try again next time.
Yeah.
So, ayun, it was good. Pinag-isipan namin kung pupunta kami sa social event.
Yeah, later.
So we are, sorry, I just remembered that I was vlogging. So we are going to the social event. I'm just drying my hair because I had to take a shower. And then social event is gonna be like a quick scavenger hunt and then like a get together at the small tapas bar. So I don't know if I'll be able to vlog, but hopefully I can get some clips. Yung sa kickboxing, hindi din ako nakapag-vlog. So I'm gonna ask Pearl next time if I can, my instructor, if I can video like myself and like with Chris. Kasi kanina it was perfect kasi si Teta yung partner ko. So, you know, like comfy yung the other person na kasama ko. Anyway, we're gonna do it tonight. And yeah, let's just go and have fun. We're doing scavenger hunt. Tapos yung isang mission is Jack and Rose na
Video.
position. Tapos
I'll do it.
Oh my God, dalawan sila ni Janet. We came to win!
Here, and then...
We're gonna try. Cheers! for today lang. Siya naman yung kasama ko. Mag-ano kami, yoga Lattes. So, yung tinry kong Pilates sa beginning of this video, mayroon silang half yoga, half Pilates tuwing Sunday. So, we're gonna try that today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes! We're almost at the sa venue for today's class. Here lang din around the center. And doon kami bumaba sa plaza kung saan kami nagtatatakbo kahapon. Hindi ko pa nga siya nakikwento. Grabe yung scavenger hunt kahapon. Sobrang fun. Parang talk to a stranger, picture with a stranger, kung anong mga crazy stuff yung... Tambor with a stranger. It was super fun yesterday. It was nice. Done for our class. We're gonna stay for coffee. It was so good. Yes, Jenna. Yes.
Oh my.
Good class.
Yeah, super nice.